started a business in a terrible time. We were in a recession. I had no credit. It never allowed me to be able to take a loan out. Had I known then what I know now about building corporate credit, I would have done these simple things. Tip number one is register your business. You need to register as either a corporation, S Corp, C Corp, or an LLC. So you're going to get an EIN number from your government and then open a business bank account. The next thing you're gonna do is register your business with Dun & Bradstreet. You need to register and get a DUNS number so that you can start to build your credit. You're going to work with vendors that allow you to make payments on inventory or equipment or whatever it is that the company sells. A good example of that would be Uline, and they also report your payments to Dun & Bradstreet. If you are doing that consistently with other vendors for about a year, you will be working in the background on building your business credit.